Hello, this is Paul from RankWyz and Sideways, and today's video is the second part uh, of the videos on building better and more relevant and targeted content. In this video, I will skip any introduction to the RankWyz or content mill or built-in content server. If you are interested, you need to watch part 1. And of course, if you are an active RankWyz user, you're already familiar with the content mill. I will demonstrate series of improvements we made with the content mill that, in my opinion, brings it to the completely next level in the quality and relevancy. And this is exactly what we all need for successful SEO campaigns. To demonstrate the first improvement, I will go to the content bucket. You can see I called it TV shows, and I briefly explained the problem we were addressing in the part 1, so I will summarize. When we build the content bucket using multiple topics, if topics are generic enough, let's say dentist, system goes first to the article directories and bring millions of relevant articles. Good enough to aggregate and syndicate content that will be of the pretty decent quality. This is what pretty much every other system does. But if topic is very targeted, and this is what I was advocating for in the part 1 of the video, if you want to promote site or the part of the site, specific page for the specific long tail term, you have to create relevant content for this term. System might not find, in this case, articles in article directory, and then it turns to the generic search results. And then if we use one single topic, the search might be not as good if we use multiple keywords. Let's say in this specific examples, we have two topics, and they are name of TV shows, House of Cards and Game of Thrones. If system can't find in article directories on this topic and will do search in the general web search, the content, this is, let's say, The Walking Dead. Made a typo. So you can see that the search results at the beginning are not as great in terms of the quality of the content. So they might be not as good aggregated content, and of course can be improved if topics uses more the variation of the same keyword, same topic. We already have an option to create keywords. Then system every time create an article will be using different variation of the topic, different keywords. This is actually the problem I see often when people use content mill in the same way as they use any other content generation system. When we have an option to add topics, I often see topics which are indeed keywords. I can see dentist, dentists, best dentist, find a dentist. So everything, all keywords related to one single topic, dentist, are created as a separate topics. In fact, you cannot expect article for the dentist and best dentist to be different in terms of relevancy. You probably would expect article to be different if, let's say, you have a dentist and emergency dental clinic. So that will be different topics. So let's say if we created a topic and we want to fill it with the multiple keywords, so then system use random keywords every time for the specific topic. That will bring a lot of variety for the content, will bring relevancy. Of course, the best topic, the best keyword for the topic will be any informational, starting with the question, where, how much, and so on and so on. We already had an option to bring keywords, but not many users use it because it's time consuming doing keyword research, bringing into the every topic. So this is the first improvement we made, and now with every topic you can fill in hundreds of extremely relevant long tail keywords. House of cards, and you can see, I will stop, but you can find literally hundreds of questions. I'm not pretending like some others representing a similar system that we have artificial intelligence and we read in the mind of the Google. So this is Google suggest queries. But the good thing about this, those are questions are extremely relevant for the topic. And as a result, should we search content based on any of those questions, results will be much richer in content. As a result, the syndication article will be better. Plus, the fact that we bring hundreds of keywords means every time we create, we use random keywords, random questions out of the topic, and as a result, will be way more variety of the created content. You can see all questions are extremely relevant. So I didn't save them all. You can see I saved 87. So I'll go the same with the Game of Thrones. You don't need to do any longer any keyword research in order to come up with the... It's still worth checking it. See, in some cases, Google returns, with the Google suggest returns URLs. But aside of this, the questions are extremely good and relevant. So I didn't cut the questions on the Game of Thrones. You can see 390 questions. So now, when I start the bucket, I will find the content much richer, much more relevant, and the variety will be 10 times or might be 100 times greater than it used to be when we used one single topic. So this is the first improvement. So now you can simply, with a simple click of a button, find the relevant keywords for majority of the topics. For all topics, we retrieve it from the Google Suggest, and as a result, the content will be much better. So this is part one. So I will keep it short, and the next improvement I will add in the next video. Thank you for watching. The video will be posted in our community page, so please comment, and you can also comment in our Facebook page or send me email, pavel@rankwyz.com.